In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create group conversation on Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages application and then tap right here at that icon to start creating a conversation. So guys, right here towards the very top you can easily find that plus button. If we tap on it, we'll be able to add one single contact to our conversation. If we would like to add multiple contacts in here, we can add them one by one. And then, once it is done, all we have to do is just enter a message. And then, to create a conversation, all you have to do is just tap right here to send it. Group conversation is already created. Now you can communicate with that users in that conversation. They can respond to your messages and all the group members are able to see that messages and then can also communicate with you in that group chat as well. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.